Hey everyone, good morning. It's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you a little project that I did using my dies. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I used. So I got this a while ago. I bought this from, I believe I got this from Frank Garcia Studio, I think, or I either got it online, I'm not sure, but got this a few months ago and I decided to finally use it. So I use this, and then I also use this die. I'm not sure where I got it from, but it was in my stash that I have, and I believe it comes with different sizes. So I also use this die, and then I finally busted out this die. And for this die, I will put the link below. I'm sure you guys know, you probably have it. This is, I believe, a Kscraft die. And this is everything that comes in this set. So I will link down below the link to the AliExpress store that I purchased this from. So I used that, and then also I'm trying to do better at using what I have, and lately I've been doing such a good job. So I'm starting to use my paper and wanting to kill the pad. So I chose paper that I really loved and only had a little bit of. So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. So the first paper pad, I've had this for a very, very, long time. And so it is this Recollections Valentine Day paper. And as you can see, it's almost gone. I have all my scraps here and not very much in this paper pad. So I used paper from here, and I also used up some of my paper from the Hello Kitty Deluxe paper that I purchased from the Cricut store a while back. These don't come with a whole lot of paper in here anyways, but because I had used a lot of it already, I decided to go ahead and use some of the paper. Now these papers are double-sided, and this is all that I have left from this pad. So I just figured, you know what, I'm gonna use this. So you'll see in the next couple of projects that I did use this paper. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop rambling, and show you the products that I used for this project. So as you guys know, I busted out these dies that I purchased a while ago, and I just wanted to make something that I could actually use. So what I did was I made these cute little bows using the paper, and then I used my cabochons. Now I'm starting, you guys see a lot of my videos, I try to use my cabochons that I get from AliExpress because I did haul a lot of them. So this is the bow, and it's super cute. I love it. And then this right here is a rosette that I actually cut out. It was a circle rosette, and I believe, I want to say Susan came over like last year or even before that, and she made me some rosettes using crepe paper. So all I did was I used this, I put on top of the rosette, and I made it into a heart. So that's basically what it looks like. So I just used the heart to place under the bow with the cabochon. So there's one and there's two. So these are just leftovers that I have that I'm gonna probably use as bag toppers maybe, or gifting. So I did that, and then I wanted to actually, this is the folder, or not the folder, but the wallet. I didn't want to use, because there's like a accordion fold like die that you put inside the wallet so that it expands. But I didn't use that because I wanted to create something that I could use as a gift card holder. I don't have anything on hand, so if I wanted to gift crafty friends or family, or, you know, whoever, I have this available. So this is the paper that I showed you that I used. I used the cardstock and then the glitter paper. And look at how cute. And then I used the bow cabochon here on top of the bow. And I thought it came out really super cute. So as you can see though, it left the score line because this is supposed to, this strip right here is supposed to be the bottom. But you can't barely see it. Nobody's going to see the back of it. They're just going to see the front. And then I used these colored Velcro that I also got from AliExpress. Now I bought this a while ago, so I'm not sure if I could find the link to this, but if I come across it, I will definitely put the link down below because I hauled this probably 2 years ago or so. And then I also bought these other colors here, but I used the pink one for this project. So all I did was I put the Velcro here, and then over here is where you would put the gift card. So it's it opens just enough for a gift card. So I thought that was super cute, so I did this one. And then I did this one here as well using the papers that I showed you. And for the center of the bow, I used this wooden, this is actually a button. And then for the buttonholes, I just put some bling in the center of it, so you didn't see just like a hole. And you open it like so, and you got that one. And then the last one that I did was this one. I think it came out so cute. I love the centers that I added to the bows. So this one here is, I used the glitter cardstock and the solid textured paper on top. And then you open it like so, and then you can put your gift card in there. So that is my little project that I was able to do. You're going to notice that I'm only going to have time for little projects here and there. I'm going to be super busy, you guys. You probably won't even see me next month because I have my daughter's gymnastics competitions all next month of October, all weekends. And then it's also both of my daughter's birthday and my husband. So I will be super busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have some other projects that I'm finishing up right now, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.